Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, you're welcome. It's your girl Z Face. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my faux locks. So let's get right into the video. So first of all, I'm starting off with my faux locks hair. I got it from a local beauty store. Then I'll be using my ledge hook to attach them and my small comb. I'm going ahead to dangle my hair. Then I'm just going to do a square part. Like I just wanted my faux locks to be in a square pattern, so that's what I'm doing right now with my small comb. So once I have that, I'm just going to do a plait. I'm trying as much as possible to grip my plait really well because I want it to be strong, but you don't also want it to be too hard in such a way that your faux locks is not going to be able to pass through. So I'm just braiding that down, but I'm not braiding the whole hair, like I'm just braiding it halfway down. The next, I'm going into my ledge hook. I'm passing it over the basement of my plait, attaching the loop of the faux locks onto the hook, closing the ledge. As you can see me doing, I'm closing the ledge, and I'm just going to pass that onto the other side. Next, I'll send the loop of the faux locks over the ledge, and then I'm going to grab the end of my faux locks with the hook and then try to form a knot so that it really ties well to my hair. I'm closing the ledge, passing it over that, and then I pull it towards my plait. You guys understand what I'm doing, right? So my hair is still out, we cannot allow it like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ledge hook and I'm just going to pass it in between my faux locks, that I'm going to pass it into my faux locks, and then I'm going to wrap my hair onto the hook. As you can see me doing, I'll close the ledge and then I'll just pass it into my faux locks. I'm trying to hide the hair that I have there. You don't want your hair to be showing like that. So you want to keep doing that until you have no hair protruding out of your faux locks, like you want your faux locks to be neat. So you're just going to continue the process. You pass your ledge hook through the faux locks, grab the hair using the hook, closing the ledge, and just passing that in between the faux locks until it disappears. So there you go, we have the faux lock. You don't even know my hair is inside. It's neat and nice. So guys, I went ahead to do the rest of my hair. I couldn't show you guys how I did everything, but I'm just going to do it over again, and you guys already know the steps. Guys, this is actually my first time doing this. I don't know, but I couldn't really grab all my hair in front because my hair in front is kind of short. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use my got2b glue gel to just lay my edges after I've finished doing my hair. So I'm just doing the same thing over and over. Close your ledge, pass it over your plait onto the other side, move the loop over the edge, grab the end of your faux locks, put on the hook, close the edge, and you form your knots, and then you start making your hair go missing. You know, that is basically what I did throughout my hair, guys.
just bring this your body, oh yeah. I like when I did for your corner. Treble at the scene and a double. The way when you take and for carry, I will spend my dough like allergy. Oh my baby, come over, yeah, yeah. Oh my baby, bend over, make you bend over, yeah, yeah. Fine girl, you make my day beautiful. I know the lie, you sexy and beautiful. Your pretty hands on my body is so beautiful. I know the lie, you sweet and beautiful, beautiful. When you kiss, beautiful. The way you roll so beautiful. Plenty girls that he has my number. I swear I'll give it to Big mommy, come closer, baby girl, you want it. I know do you well, I go tell you sorry. But tell me, I tell you plenty story. I make you give I and I the plenty glory. Baby, I go die for your body, make man no play with your body, I feel kill man for your body, oh, hey. I like when I did for your corner. Treble at the scene and a double. The way where you take and for carry, I will spend my dough like allergy. Oh my baby, come over, yeah, yeah. Oh my baby, bend over, make you bend over, yeah, yeah. You know, yeah, yeah.
Señor Santo.
Me how to find my way, my brother find your way too. Life not turn by turn, the même pour toi va sortir. Me how to find my way, my sister.
So after doing that, I went into these beautiful pins, and I just decided to decorate my hair more. So what I'm doing is I'm just attaching them onto my hair to make them look beautiful. Guys, right now I'm so tired. Like, look at my face. Like, it's like I haven't eaten for days. It took me about 4 hours to do this hairstyle. How did I do, guys? I'm just going to go ahead and lay my edges with my Got2b glue. Let me know in the comment section if you like this video. If you do, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next one.
You be thinking my own be don't finish. Had around with your mom. This is what I was made of. Blessing abundant, me send more.